Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch to business account on TikTok. First thing, let's launch the TikTok app. When you're on TikTok feed, you want to click on the lower right corner where it says profile. When you're on your own profile, you want to go ahead on the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. The pop-up menu will simply give you an option which says settings and privacy. You want to click on settings and privacy. Then you want to click on account, and then you want to scroll down to the option which says switch to business account. This is where things are getting a little more interesting. The main point over here is that with business account you will get much more business features, business you can run ads, you can promote products. It will be much easier for you to create your TikTok store. Very important is that your current or existing content that you already created, likes, dislikes, videos, pictures, carousels, right, will not be impacted at all. So if you shift on the next one, right, learn about your audience, you're going to get much more interest of reach more people, right, access to conversion tools, meaning that you will be able essentially to sell, and you will see what kind of tools, elements, or content is simply letting you to create much more content, which will show you which type of content brings you more sales, more audience, more retention, right? And this is the step over here. The last step that you have to choose is that you gotta choose your category. TikTok wants you to select a category that describes your account, so it will be easier for TikTok to recommend viewers or potential shoppers on your business, right? So the options are not so many. As you can see, we have a lot of arts, automobile, you have a lot of hype stuff, a lot of hobbies, electronics, finance, food, gaming, health services, pets. I know when you read it one by another it looks a lot, but as you can see, just one single swipe from my finger and you're almost to the end. Also, if you cannot find your category, you can simply click other and then press next, and you're already will be accepted into having and operating your own business account on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.